With DOS for Excel, you can quickly and simply color alternate rows in Excel. Select your preferred shading method, either conditional formatting or standard formatting, after checking the rows option and choosing your shading colors. Select your range. Additionally, you have the option to color every other number of rows that you desire. Click on Apply button. You can also remove the conditional formatting by click on Yes button or No button to delete standard formatting. You can do the same procedure to color alternate columns in the same way by selecting Columns option.